Well, I'm here to talk about the non-existence of this phenomenon they call global warming. Fuck global warming. It doesn't exist. And to prove that we don't get enough moisture or anything like that. Can you see it in my eyes? Take a look at the outside of my world. Fucking buried. Dog shit. Good boy. Well, at least he shits outside. Dog shit. Look as it steams, sinking down into the innermost. When I step out there later, I'm gonna step right in that dog shit. Thanks, Broody. You know what I mean? You give me a little dog shit out there? Huh? You give me some dog shit? You gave me some dog shit, didn't you? Yeah, you did.